All right, everyone. Greetings from 2K Sports. Get ready for some NBA action. Hi, folks. This is Brian Anderson. I'm with Grant Hill and Brent Barry. Our reporter tonight, Allie LaForce. Now the starting group for the visitors. And it's Williams in at point guard. And for Toronto, and it's Ferguson in at the 2. Out of the gates, some guys tend to start strong, Grant. Others take a little time to warm up. Which group did you align with?
Yeah, good question, BA. You know, I always liked to start the season strong. And a lot of it goes into your preparation. What are you doing in the offseason? Are you ready when we get into training camp, the preseason? You know, all of that building to opening night and really establishing yourself within the team and also throughout the league right from the gates. And that's what happens when you don't take care of the ball.
Hey, that makes the turnover hurt even more.
And the gamble paying off.
And he dunks it. What a pass to set him up.
I'll tell you, he is so tough to keep down once he gets near that rim.
Yeah, he can get up even a few notches higher.
Attacking in the painted area. Clearly that was their game plan coming in.
Here's ABC. His last outing, he had 18 points. And it goes out of bounds. That one off Allen. On defense, the visiting team. 4-point game. Here's Ferguson. Knocks it down from distance. Ferguson's got 5.
Defensively, you have to stay connected to him on the perimeter.
Here's Williams. Ooh, he's looking comfortable now. 3 for 3.
Well, they can't miss. 4 for 4 and warming up the burners.
And stolen by Williams.
Get up to throw down. And this kind of sick slam is just one of the reasons this team is in charge of this game right now, BA.
You know, there's an edge the way they played and a confidence they're not afraid to show. Here's Ferguson. He's got 5. Knocked loose. Here's Williams. Got a hand on it. They get it back. Baller passes to Baller. Hits a three-pointer.
Number 22. Their offense looking like a well-oiled machine.
For Toronto, they've gone 2 of 3 from the floor. And Toronto calls time here.
And this is a matchup they expect to win. Certainly, last year they were the stronger ball club.
And a chance to see the latest edition of the power ranking. Always fun to see where everyone in the league stands. You look at Memphis, they're building some momentum right now and aiming for a spot in the top 5.
You know, right now for the visiting team, they're off to a really solid start. Pushing aside those that doubted them in the preseason and proving they're capable of more.
Now here's Williams coming off an unbelievable high-scoring game. Here's Baller. Rebounded by Kim. For Toronto, they've gone 3 of 4. Off to a nice start. It's blocked. And here they come. Here's Williams. And they cash it in right away with a quick shot. He's got 10.
Pretty easy right now. Clear out. Give him some space. Let him get to work.
Here's ABC. Oh, he finds himself wide open and drills it.
He's a potent mix of effort and ability. Hard to shut down a player of his caliber.
Williams. And Williams punches it home.
His arrow's been trending up as of late, and he's been magnificent tonight.
Out of bounds as Toronto keeps possession.
The ball goes to Toronto.
And always interesting to look back at last season. These were the NBA's best transition teams.
You know, it really made for some exciting games the way this team ran the floor, always maintaining impressive energy in transition.
Here's Ferguson. From the top of the key, he buries it. Ferguson's got 9.
Well, he hasn't missed yet, guys, and the defense is scrambling for answers to stop this hot start.
A nice shot by Baller.
They've been the more poised team tonight, and the score reflects that.
Yeah, just really pouring it on right now, trying to take away the opposition's motivation to keep competing in this one.
Here's Ferguson. 9 points in the game. And that one is hammered home.
Assisted.
Big-time throwdown.
Check him out. Keeps the grip on that rim after the finish. A little extra emphasis. Now here's Williams. They lead by 7. Oh, a clear foul there on the missed shot. So he'll get a pair at the line.
Hey, you can't block it. Sending him to the line could be the next best thing.
Williams taking 2 shots.
And Williams drops them both.
Well, a great player on a great role at the charity stripe. The D has got to be careful about being too aggressive on him and sending him back for freebies.
To the middle. Here's Starks. Tipped. Allen inside. The kick out to Williams. Pure from 3-point range.
3 points.
17 points in the game.
This defense just can't stay connected to shooters.
Oh, they get a hand on it. And they're on the break. Here's Baller. Oh, hey! How about that?
That's impressive.
And he dunks it down.
4.
Building a big advantage early with a terrific all-around performance.
Well, if I was baking up a lead, I'd add 2 ingredients. One would be playing smart. The other one, playing selfless. They've done that tonight. Serve it up.
And Toronto calls time here.
If you can't match up on the boards, you are not going to win games. That's got to be a big lesson from that game.
Well, maybe they went into that game thinking rebounding not something they needed to focus on. They absolutely did.
On defense, the visiting team. They lead by 14. Oh, Williams with the block.
And even though it's still early, they have got to get more aggressive out there. Hard to convert against that kind of defensive pressure.
Those are all the little things about effort there. He just gets out there and contests, and that's just enough.
Now here's Allen. Here's Baller. Offensive rebound. Baller. Well, it was only a matter of time before they finally get the bucket.
You can't help but look toward their defense. They're totally lost.
Pass to Starks. Here's ABC. Williams defending to end the run. Oh, plenty of contact on that shot. Officials call the foul, and he'll take 2 free throws now. And Grant, playing was added after you retired. You wish it was around when you played?
You know, B.A., no. But I do think we could have used it a couple of times in my years in Orlando. But, you know, in all fairness, the play-in is a success as it creates a Game 7 atmosphere. And the NBA really knocked it out the park with this one.
And good on the second, so he makes them both. And so it's Williams with it. He brings it up for Columbus. It's a 14-point game. Here's Baller. Last game with 30. That one goes. Count it. Baller's got his second basket of the game.
Really taking charge of the game, largely with a detailed interior attack.
Well, how good have they been on the inside tonight, just getting down into the painted area and just dominating, controlling that spot.
Here's Baller. Oh, can't answer back with his own dunk.
Let's hope for his sake that he does not try that one ever again.
Kim passes to ABC. Oh, it's blocked by Williams. Here's Allen, and it's Allen who slams it home.
They've shown so much energy right from the start, particularly on the offensive end.
Yeah, if you walked in at any point during this game to watch 5 minutes of play, one team